What's up, YouTube? How's it going tonight? Anyway, it's your boy Drew coming to you. It's late at night with a 3 count. Got that 3 counts of something financial. I don't know how to make money. Tomorrow I'm gonna come with some sick affiliate marketing stuff that I've been working on. I just didn't want to rush it. This one I can kind of rush because it's not super difficult to put it all together. So you can see all this right now. Anyway, if you like what I give you, if you like me coming with videos about money and stimulus and all that nonsense, hit me up with a like. Also, think about subscribing. I need subscribers, people. I do, I do, I do. Do not hesitate to hit that button. Also, since I'm banned on Facebook for spamming the shit out of everyone, think about sharing. What do you think? Also, comment down below if you have any video suggestions or whatnots and what wares and what, do the whole Willy Wonka what's. Oompa? Oompa? Let's start with the 3 top investing apps in 2024. Who are we? I am a beginner, and I am an essential worker, and I am a truck driver. So 3 investment apps for beginners in 2020. What? Let's go into the show. Booyah. This is a lot of production value went into this one for you guys. Love ya. Number 1, the Stash app. Honestly, not the best investment app in the world, and I've already covered this on a long time ago when I was just starting and I didn't barely know how to talk to you guys. I was like, "Oh my God, who are you?" Anyway, it's an investment app. However, the biggest quality that this app has is there's a it has a debit card, right? It's like a bank account, and they keep pretty good track of your money. There's a lot of good features on this, like it's like a dot card, like green dot, all that stuff, but it's a bank card. You utilize this bank card to basically pay all your reoccurring bills or whatever you have to pay. Spend the money on this card, and guess what you get? You get stock back between 1 and 4%. And honestly, more times than not, this will give you 4%. And there's even double days where you get like 8%, which is ridiculous. And in like 2 years, I've made over $800 on this app alone in totally passive income. I mean, it's cool as fuck, guys. Just even if you don't even use the investment features, this app just for the stock value alone is great. I mean, it's like a piggy bank for your debit card. I mean, how awesome is that? So don't ever hesitate to get this app, get the card. Don't bother with the financials. Go with the card, load it, and get yourself a $10 for free. Also, I'll get $10 for free, but I'm not plugging it because of that. I'm plugging it because this is the coolest setup. Free stock back. It's like money back, but stock. It grows over time, and you can sell it anytime. I've already sold half of my shares because they sucked. I got 7-Eleven. It went down 1,000%, but I still sold it. I got like $25. But come on, it's great. Do it now. No, anyway, the next one I have to talk about is primarily the best, I would say, investment app for beginners and for people that really want to learn the skill of investing because it has so many options. It has what real traders have at their fingertips. A lot of visual, a lot of graphs, a lot of ways to track your stocks, a lot of ways to sell your stocks, to short sell, high sell, the way you can protect your stocks. You can put it, like tell it when you want it to sell, at what point you want it to sell. And I don't know all the fancy investing terms, but this has it. This app really has it. However, there's one shortfall. I'm going to hit you up with it, and hopefully they're going to get this change. It's the WEBULL investing app. It's a great investing app, and honestly, Sign up now, deposit $100, and you get 2 free stocks. Or also, if you use the link down below, you'll help me out too. But you'll help me out tremendously if you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. But you guys haven't seemed to want to really do that yet. But if you would like to, get yourself 2 free stocks. Also, get me 2 free stocks. I think that's what I'd get if you use the link down below and then subscribe. And then it will kill so many birds with one stone. You understand? But the one downside of the whole Webull investing app is that you can't fractionally buy. There's no fractional shares. And in this day and age, I feel like with really good companies like Tesla being at like almost, well, a week ago it was at 2,000. Now it's down by like what, 1,200, 1,300 a share. I don't know right now, but it doesn't really matter because it will just fluctuate. Who's got that kind of money? If you're a beginner entrepreneur like me, we don't have that type of money. We have fractional bits of that money. So that's why I'm having a hard time with this app. I'd like to be a fractional buyer because I want to buy my favorite companies and they're way too expensive for me. Do you understand? So, as a beginner, like I'm sure you're like me if you're watching this because I'm going to title it Investing Apps for Beginners. Okay? So, hopefully, you're not a, super awesome investor because if you are, you're not watching the right channel. Okay? Anyway, go to somebody else. But the last one is dope, 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 dope all across the board. Understand? This has fractional lending or fractional shares. This has these cool things called pies, so it hella diversifies your account, and you don't even really have to put too much work into it. I actually found a YouTuber that I liked the way he was trading. He actually set up a pie, is what they call them, and I just put money into that pie. However, thanks, Meet Kevin. He lost me some money recently because his pie wasn't diversified enough. It was super techy, and because of the double dip recession, I lost like $10. Thanks, buddy. Anyway, I'm not gonna hold you to it. You don't owe me that money. Thank you for the other things that you've told me about that made me a lot of money. Because you made me some money, Meet Kevin. If anyone's watching, Meet Kevin. He's great if you're talking about stimulus and stuff. He's detailed and thorough. M1 Finance. This is dope, guys. Watch this. I gotta cut out because I hear somebody upstairs. I think it's my girlfriend. She wants me to go to bed. Anyway, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thank you. Boom.